So to start off with, I'm just going to delete these objects. We don't need them for our scene, or fireworks. Yeah, so I'm just going to keep the camera probably and delete the rest. I'm just going to add a UV sphere now, because that's going to be the main object emitting all the fireworks. Okay, so now what I'm just going to do is to duplicate this probably as the emitting object, scale it down and then move it far aside so we don't see it in the camera view. Okay, so now that's completed. I'm just going to select this object and scale this down as well because we don't want it that big, and then Control A the scale. This will make it transformed. I'm just going to add a particle emitter firstly. So this is the particle system I have. If I click space, it looks like this, but it doesn't show in the render. That's the main problem. And if you move it around, it doesn't like follow it. You know what I mean, right? So yeah, it doesn't show in render. So now what we need to do is to go to physics. Oh, we're not physics. I think it's viewport display. Oh, it's not viewport display. Okay, wait, is it there? Oh, I think it's render. Okay, so I'm just gonna go render as object firstly. So because we need the object, and the instance object is gonna be sphere 1. Now we see we have these tiny dots falling. We need to make them larger, substantially. So what I'm just gonna do, yeah, they're tiny, so increase the scale, not that big, not that small, just the perfect amount. I think 0.170 is probably good. I'm just gonna set the scale random to 1. Actually, no, that's way too randomized. So 6.19, that'll do probably. Just guessing. I'm gonna set the number to 10,000 now. Okay, so now we've got a lot more particles. This may slow down your laptop, so be warned. I'm just gonna set the lifetime to about like 20 or something. Yeah, 20 is probably good because then it doesn't slow down your laptop as much. It ends quicker. It's gonna go to the y-axis view. Cool. Now, I'm just gonna try and select. Yeah, that doesn't work, so I'm just gonna try and select the camera. Yeah, why am I selecting the camera? Okay, let me go see what's wrong. Okay, so now I'm trying to select the sphere. What's an easy method? Not the camera, of course. I'm just gonna try and select the sphere, so that's sphere 1. Yeah. Okay, so now that I've selected this sphere right here, that was taking a lot of time because it was blocking my view. Okay, now I'm just gonna pair this to that. Just gonna go that and then Control P, object, keep transform. And now if I just move sphere 1, it moves along with it. Now that looks epic. I'm just gonna speed up the moving process like really quicker, like this. Yeah, now you can see that we have like balls of fireworks around. That looks epic, right? Like if you move that, it doesn't work. But if you move that and move it like really fast, you see fireworks. Cool, right? It was so easy to get these fireworks. And you can also add a material to make it look nicer. I'm not going to dive into that. I'm just going to set the location for the other object. I'm just going to, yeah, auto keying. Yeah, and now I'm just going to randomly move it. Yeah, this looks actually weird, but yeah, it's paying off. Look at the fireworks. Look at them go. That looks good. Okay, that looks epic. So that's the playing of the animation. Okay, cool. So I'm just moving that around, okay. That looks epic. Okay, I'm just gonna move the y-axis and then cool, huh? That looks sick. Close-up view as well. That looks this could be good for your New Year's Eve projects as well, which would be a really good key. Okay.